Well, hello there, sports fans. It's August 4th, 2025, about 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and right there is the reassembled ignition key with a new ignition switch and all this happy horse shit. We're going to try to start it. Let's just see what happens. If we're going to let the smoke out again, or if it's a no-go, or if it'll actually go. Here goes. Contact. Well, my wires are connected, but the car didn't start. Let's try it again. It started. Now we'll look to see if we're going to let any smoke out of here. Really running rough. This means I'm not at fast idle, I guess. There. It started. Okay. Bye-bye. TTFN.